Introducing the 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz. With less than 7,500 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this gutsy Hyundai Santa Cruz, the stylish adventure utility vehicle that pairs composed comfort with high-tech capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, cooled front seat. Feel up for the challenge in this highly versatile Santa Cruz. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.